thank you for your submission. And I'm going to start with the Zygomaticus. And yeah, it's confusing. Which one's the major, which one's the minor? They're both pretty small. This one goes a little bit longer and a little bit thicker, so technically it's the major, and that one's the minor. Now, the problem with our models is we only have the major on our models, or the two muscles are so tiny, it's really hard to put a sticker on them. So on the study guide, I just have Zygomaticus muscle, because they're basically going the same direction to the same place. Yeah, the frontalis is very boring. Of the 6 groups, 4 of you voted this one, the boring muscle. The other 2 said occipitalis. But it's easy, you should get it right. I love both orbicularis muscles, the oculi and the oris, because they're so obvious. They're round, they're orbicularis muscles. They orbit. And then ocular or oratory. So yes, those are 2 easy ones. And the other group thought this one was hard. I love saying buccinator. I might be because I love the Terminator movie. So here's the buccinator. I love saying it. Again, I've heard buccinator, I've heard buccinator. If you click this, it's an even different name that I've never heard called before, but I'm sure it is a correct name too. So, I think a cool muscle. I love saying. So, I might like the sternocleidomastoid for the same reason. There's just something about it that I like. It's this very well-named muscle. There's part of it, there's other part of it. And as I said in my video, this is the one that somebody shouted across the movie theater at me. So I love the sternocleidomastoid. I might have given away that I will definitely ask it on the test. The rectus abdominis really is a boring muscle. Everyone gets it right though when I put it on the test. So that's something for you guys. And interesting, the pectoralis minor is easy. So yeah, it's hiding under there. I personally have always thought it was easy, and that your hard muscle is the hiding external oblique. Let's zoom in a little bit on that one. And it's confusing because you have all this connective tissue in there, and that's, I think, why on the lab exam, what I'll end up doing is I'll show you the ribs, and I'll just, hide. I will make it that here, all of this is the external oblique. And then when we flip to the inside of the rib cage, on the inside of the rib cage, that's going to be the internal intercostal. So I agree with you that external intercostal and internal intercostal, they're hiding under all this stuff. And I hope I said that was intercostal and not oblique earlier. It is the intercostal. So thank you for your submissions. Have a good weekend.